We invite all my friends Filipino to come here.
Please come.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
I love Qatar! Oh, yan guys, tapos na rin tayo mag-jogging. So, bago tayo uwi, of course, tapos na jogging, dapat kain. Dito tayo sa Tasty. Oh, may mga chai-chai dito. Ito lang yan sa along the highway. Yung mga short order lang. Ganda ng mga juice. Ito yung order na. Thank you, bro. So parang ano lang ito sa atin, parang 7-Eleven, pero ito ay napakasarap. Sarap. Authentic. Product, how much off?
100 real, 7 real.
7 real.
Yeah.
Yes, 7 real only, guys. You can come here. In Tasty. 5, 6, 7. Yun, Habibi, invite all my friends Filipino to come here.
Okay, thank you very much. Please come, please come.
Yeah, please come.
Welcome.
Yeah, our new friends here. Yes.
Welcome to Tasty.
Beside, yeah, welcome to
Tasty.
Tasty. Philippines.
Philippines, Australia, and the Lakers.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Shukran.
So hanggang sa muli mga kapi friends, hanggang dito na lang. Bye bye.